fast for 60 days if we intentionally leave a fast in Ramadan. The one who says that, we tell him, okay, what is your proof? What is your proof? Now I'm telling a person, fast 60 days. Okay, so fasting 60 days, this is ibadah, this is a kind of worship. So if you tell anyone to do a worship, you have to give him a proof, or you need to have a proof for that. So what is your proof? Okay, if you don't have proof, so keep silent. If you have a proof, give us your proof. To see, well, your proof is authentic, not authentic, or your proof, sometimes the evidence is authentic, but it is not applicable in this situation. Okay? I know, some people do qiyas. They say this is like the one who breaks his fasting by sexual intercourse with his wife. Okay? No, not necessarily the same. No. Who said this is the same? The one who broke his fast by eating or drinking, the same like who's doing sexual intercourse? No. This is then we can tell people, okay, if you eat or drink, you have to make ghusl, because after sexual intercourse you do ghusl. It's a big problem. طيب.